The lion, scientifically known as Panthera leo, holds an extraordinary place in both the animal kingdom and human culture. Often referred to as the king of the jungle, the lion is a symbol of power, courage, and majesty. Lions are the only big cats that live in social groups called prides, setting them apart from the other solitary big cats like tigers and leopards. These prides are integral to the lion's way of life, enabling them to thrive in the savannas and grasslands of Africa and, in a smaller number, in India's Gir forest. Understanding the structure and dynamics of a lion pride offers us insight into the cooperative and strategic nature of this species, which has developed to ensure the survival of each member and the group as a whole. In a typical pride, which can range from a few individuals to as many as 30, each member has a role that is crucial to the pride's function and success. A pride generally consists of several adult females who are usually related, their cubs, and one or two adult males. The females are the primary hunters and are closely bonded to each other, while the males take on the role of defending the pride from external threats. As male lions mature, they typically leave their birth pride and either wander alone or form coalitions with other young males. These coalitions are strategic alliances that allow young males to survive while they search for a new pride to dominate or a territory to claim. This period of leaving and finding new prides or territories is a critical phase in a male lion's life, full of challenges and danger, as they often face threats from rival males and the harsh conditions of the wild. Once a coalition of males establishes control over a pride, they become its primary defenders, protecting their territory from other coalitions or potential threats like hyenas. Male lions are typically larger and stronger than females, equipped with a mane that not only serves as protection during fights but also signals their health and strength to rivals and potential mates. The mane is a key feature of male lions and varies in color from light brown to black, with darker manes often indicating a higher level of testosterone. This mane makes them more intimidating to rivals and more attractive to lionesses. However, being a dominant male in a pride is no easy task. It requires constant vigilance and a readiness to defend against rival males who may attempt to take over the pride. If new males do succeed in taking over, they often kill the cubs of the previous dominant males, a behavior known as infanticide. This practice, while brutal, serves an evolutionary purpose by allowing the new males to pass on their genes and encourage the lionesses to mate with them, thus ensuring the pride's allegiance to their new leaders. The hunting strategies of lions are both cooperative and highly specialized, showcasing their intelligence and adaptability as predators. Female lions, being smaller and more agile than males, take on the primary responsibility of hunting for the pride. They hunt in groups, employing complex tactics to corner and bring down prey that can sometimes weigh several times more than they do. The pride targets a variety of animals, from medium-sized antelope to large herbivores like zebras, wildebeests, and even buffaloes. When food is scarce, lions may even prey on smaller animals such as hares or birds, although such small prey provides limited sustenance for a large pride. The lionesses often divide into groups, with some lying in wait while others drive the prey toward them, creating a coordinated ambush. This level of cooperation and strategy in hunting is rare among big cats, which makes the lioness's role within the pride not only essential but also remarkable in the animal kingdom. After a successful hunt, the social dynamics of feeding reveal a clear hierarchy within the pride. Male lions, despite not participating in most hunts, usually eat first. Their role as protectors and the potential to face injuries while defending the pride give them priority at the feeding site. After the males have had their fill, the lionesses and cubs take their turn. This feeding order is a critical aspect of pride life, as it ensures that the lions who face the most danger, namely the males, are well nourished to fulfill their role. A single adult lion can consume as much as 40 kilograms of meat in one sitting, which may sustain it for several days until the next successful hunt. This ability to eat large quantities at once and survive extended periods without food is an adaptation to the unpredictable nature of life in the wild, where hunting success is not guaranteed. Reproduction and the raising of cubs are vital aspects of pride life. Female lions, or lionesses, typically give birth to a litter of cubs after a gestation period of around 110 days. The cubs are born blind, helpless, and entirely dependent on their mother. For the first few weeks, the mother keeps them hidden from the rest of the pride and any potential predators, ensuring they remain safe during this vulnerable period. As they grow, the cubs begin to join the pride and learn the skills necessary for survival by observing the adults. All lionesses within a pride often take part in raising the cubs, a behavior known as alloparenting. This shared responsibility allows lionesses to go hunting while knowing that their cubs are protected and cared for by other females in the pride. The communal care system strengthens the pride's unity and ensures that the cubs receive enough attention, protection, and lessons in social behavior. Young lions, especially males, face unique challenges as they grow older. Around the age of 2 to 3, male cubs are usually driven out of the pride by the dominant males to prevent future competition. These young males then embark on a journey to either join a new pride or form a coalition with other males. This coalition building is crucial for survival, as a group of males stands a better chance of taking over a pride than a solitary male. For young females, life within the pride is comparatively stable, as they often remain with the pride they were born into, contributing to its hunting and reproduction efforts. This divergence in life paths between males and females highlights the complex social structure of lion prides and the roles each gender plays in the survival and continuity of the group. In their day-to-day lives, lions are often more relaxed than people might expect. They are known to rest and sleep for as much as 20 hours a day, conserving their energy for hunting and defending their territory. This prolonged rest period is essential, as the African savanna's temperatures can be extreme, especially during the day. Lions become more active during the cooler hours of dusk and dawn, when they engage in hunting, patrolling, and socializing. Resting together in close proximity also strengthens the bonds between pride members, as they engage in social grooming and playful interactions. Grooming serves a dual purpose for lions. It helps them maintain their coats and removes parasites while reinforcing social bonds within the pride. This behavior is an important aspect of pride life, as strong social bonds improve the group's cohesion and overall survival. Communication among lions is complex and involves a range of vocalizations, body language, and behaviors. Roaring is perhaps the most iconic form of lion communication. A lion's roar is powerful and can be heard up to 5 miles away, serving multiple purposes, from establishing territory to locating pride members. Male lions often roar to assert their dominance and signal their presence to rival males, while female lions may use quieter roars to call their cubs or alert the pride of nearby threats. Besides roaring, lions communicate through body language, such as rubbing their heads or grooming each other, which helps to solidify social bonds and reduce tension within the pride. Despite their strength and adaptability, lions face numerous challenges, most of which stem from human activities. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching are among the primary threats to lion populations. As human settlements expand, lion habitats shrink, leading to decreased hunting grounds and increased encounters with livestock. When lions prey on livestock, it often results in retaliation from local communities, who may kill lions to protect their livelihoods. Conservation efforts are essential to address these conflicts and to ensure that lions and humans can coexist peacefully. Many conservation organizations work with local communities to implement strategies such as livestock enclosures, compensation programs, and educational initiatives that highlight the importance of lions to the ecosystem. In recent years, conservation efforts have intensified to protect lions from the brink of extinction. Numerous national parks and wildlife reserves have been established across Africa to provide safe habitats where lions can live and hunt without interference. Organizations like the African Wildlife Foundation, the Lion Recovery Fund, and various governmental bodies have launched initiatives aimed at restoring lion populations and preserving their habitats. These conservation programs focus on anti-poaching measures, habitat restoration, and community education, with an emphasis on sustainable coexistence between lions and local communities. Ecotourism has also become a valuable tool for lion conservation, as it generates revenue that supports conservation projects and raises awareness about the plight of lions in the wild. Through ongoing conservation efforts, there is hope that lions will continue to roam the African plains, embodying the strength and resilience of the natural world. By understanding and appreciating the complex lives of lions, we not only enrich our knowledge of one of nature's most remarkable animals but also strengthen our commitment to preserving these magnificent creatures for future generations. The lion's story is one of survival, unity, and adaptation, a true testament to the intricate balance of life in the wild.